proud to introduce the N2 Cure from Shining 3D. N2 meaning nitrogen. Why do we want nitrogen in our cures? Do you ever have a problem where your aligners are printing and they're staining up over time, or your night guards are printing and they're staining up very quickly? Or you print a temporary restoration. It started out as A1, but a few weeks later it's looking like it's A3. This is a reason because there is oxygen that is staying on top of our prints. Whether it's an aligner, a model, a printed restoration, a night guard, it starts to deteriorate over time because there is an oxygen layer that is accumulated once we print. By using pressurized nitrogen, we are able to remove this oxygen inhibition layer and allow the true cure to set in and give the true color of our restoration or the clearness of our night guard or splint, and help it retain its shade. Ideally as well, when we apply glaze onto these surfaces, if there's oxygen on top of it, the glaze seems to just run right off and run right into the patient's mouth. This can't be healthy to have this liquid running into the patient's mouth. However, when we remove this oxygen inhibition layer, we're able to bond better onto the structure of our restoration. We're able to glaze the restoration properly and have it actually adhere to the actual prosthesis. So all in all, the strength of the printing, the quality of the printing can be enhanced by the removal of this oxygen inhibition layer. And now the quality of the prosthetic or the quality of the splint or night guard will stay at that quality for a longer period of time. Whether it's 3 to 4 months for your temporary prosthesis, or whether it's a longer period of time for your splint or night guard, we now can retain those colors over time. So why go N2? To protect and enhance the color, function, and aesthetics of your prints for a longer period of time.